What is up, Psy-Fam of YouTube? Thanks for joining me again. We're going to be carrying on from where we left off last week, so if you didn't check out the video, I highly suggest checking out the link in the top right hand corner and you'll be able to check it out. So I want to just play around a bit with these, tweak some of the envelopes and stuff, because some of the tails are a little bit long. So we can just find the ones that are sticking out a bit and cut those a bit shorter using the parameters inside the sampler. So now there are various ways that I like to use to sequence my percussions, rhythms, and stuff like that. One way is to just let the track play and bang it out to my MIDI controller randomly, and then adjust the sort of after effects and find the best pieces from there. Another thing I like to do is extract just the kick that I've got already. So I'll just make a new sort of loop over here on the side and duplicate this kick and bass folder that I've got, but then I want to remove just the bass. And then I want to take out every second kick, so it's basically in half time. So we've got 4 bars here, so let's loop this, and it'll basically be playing at half the tempo. Then we're going to hit record, and I'm going to sort of find a groove as we go. Let's see how it goes. Then what I like to do is take this section that I've recorded and half time it by stretching it. So I'll press the hotkey 1 twice, and that changes our cursor over to the little cursor with the little time in it. And that allows you to sort of stretch things so that they sort of change in tempo, specifically MIDI clips and audio clips and stuff like that. So let's hear how this sounds. So now if we lay it over this original section that we had with the kick and bass playing, we'll notice that the tempo is now much similar to what we've created here with the new rhythm and stuff like that. So let's give it a listen. You can also mix it up and you can throw some other samples in there and sort of create a rhythm using both digital and acoustic drums and stuff like that. This is just a sort of an idea that I use to go about sequence and creating some of these sounds. It's obviously not perfect, but you can get the workflow and you can see how I sort of go about it. And yeah, catch me again next time and we'll dive into some more secrets. If you guys like what I do, please consider going to my Patreon and supporting me. You get access to the sounds that I create in my tutorials, as well as early access to upcoming videos and stuff like that when I post them. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified next time I upload some more videos. Thanks again. See you guys next time.